typically geese aren't mean. They can make a lot of noise, but they don't. What? What do you want? A lot of people tend to think that a goose is always going to attack you, and that's not the case. They're really sociable when they're out there with the chickens. They actually tend to protect the flock. The rooster is good, but geese are also a good thing to have with them. But geese get a bad rap because you find these geese that have been out there, say at a lake or a pond, and they're not around people, and they kind of get to be territorial. Occasionally, they might go to get your attention. They might even pinch you occasionally, but that's usually not the case. So if you ever thought about putting some geese in with your flock, and you need a few of them, I would say at least 2 hens. Now we have a couple of hens and a gander here, and anytime we come out here, they want to be right up here with us. But anyway, just thought I'd throw this little tidbit out there. If you want to see more videos like this, well, hit the subscribe, hit that bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.